So the bell has rung. Um, I just missed you hearing it. I like to allow the bell goes bing, 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 bing. So we just missed that bell ring, but it's just begun. As you can see, this is minute by minute chart on Thinkorswim. We're on Baba as of now. We want Baba again to break this level. So we're watching it closely as it's going down. This level here is a level we see that is a level of support. It's like a floor for it. So we expect it to hit it and bounce up, or don't hit it at all, just go up. So yeah, and let's see what happens. So we're looking at where we want to buy at, and it seems that Bob is having no type of action right here. Volume is zero. Nobody's buying at the moment. That's bad. I don't want to buy when nobody else is buying. So looks like we're going to stay away because I do not want to buy when nobody else is buying. And still, as you can see, nobody else is buying yet. Interesting. Nobody else is bought. That's very interesting. Let me see if I'm actually on here. Yeah, people buying Workhorse. As you can see, they're buying it up already, but no one has bought. Oh, there we go. Okay, they're buying it. So they're buying it here at this level here. So we want to get in here. Let's go with 100 shares only. Let's go 100 shares. So I'm going to leave that one there, and let me bring this up. One, we're going to go with one. Okay, and let's go back and see where it's at now. Where are we? Okay, it was okay. So Baba went down. Baba's going down and actually broke our level. Okay, actually broke our level. So let's take a look at Workhorse and what it's doing. Wow, wow, Workhorse is almost there at the level we want to get in, guys. It's almost there, guys and girls. Wow, no, did it break it? Oh, it's almost there where our entry is at. So let's get prepared for it just in case it does. We're gonna clear everything out on our buying. We're gonna go to Workhorse. We're gonna go here, and everybody seems to be buying at this level here. We're gonna go above it. Oh, we're gonna go above it. We're gonna go here, and what we want to spend. Let's see. We want to get. Let's get about 16. Let's get about 16 contracts. And let's see. Let's leave it there. And let's see what Workhorse is doing. It's almost there, guys. It's almost there. Let's get a little clearer. Okay. It's almost there. So now what happens is we wanted to break this 16.15. Wow. And it's there. It's strong. It's very strong, it looks like. And when it does, we're going to enter in on a position. We're looking at the time. It's almost there. It's almost there. The time. Okay, the time. Okay, so we have 1 more minute. We're going to wait till that another candle is going to come up. And we're going to see if it's green. If it's green, we're going to enter. Okay, and let's enter. Hold on, let's enter. I think it just went red on us. Okay, just went red on us, so we're not entering yet. Let it go green again. Let it go green again, and we're going to enter. See, no, so see, if we would have entered here, we would have had a little loss of money here. So let's see if it can go green again and go up, because we want to go up on it. As you can see, the time here. Hold on, it's going green here. It's going green. Okay, let's jump in. Let's jump in and see where it takes us. Oh. Okay, so clear. Let's clear everything. Edit. Let's go down one. I think it's 2. Let's go to 14. Wow, what's going on, guys? Incredible, incredible. So much time wasted. So much time wasted on trying to get in. Usually I don't. What happens is I have this entry. I have the buying on one screen. I look at what the stock is doing on another screen. But since I'm recording, I I had to do it like this. So nonetheless, we're into Barbara. I'm not sure exactly what level we got into, but it's okay. It's going down, it's going down. Now, if Barbara goes down to this level here, we're out of it. This is our stop loss at $16 flat. Okay, hopefully Baba does what we want it to do and continue its surge. But this is our stop loss here. Let's widen the screen. Okay, let's widen the screen if we can. Okay, so Baba's going up. It's doing what we want it to do. What I want to do here is kind of see what pattern or what trend is it forming exactly before I say, okay, I want to get out. But if you look at it, if we look at it together, I would say, I got it maybe at this candle, right? So we definitely don't want it to go below this level at 16.19. Okay, we want it to continue its uptrend, so we're watching it. We're watching it. We're willing to take this loss down here. Okay, but hopefully, it's the beginning of the day. It's surging up. It looks like. Um, we're looking at the stochastics here. It looks like it's going to be curling down. If it can stay above this blue line here, that'd be great. Workhorse looks like it's not. We're eyeing it. We're eyeing it. We're eyeing it. And also we're eyeing the time up here. Where's the time? The time here. Okay. Every minute it comes another bar forms. So we're 10 seconds into this candlestick here, this red one. We're 10 seconds into it, and as you can see, okay, this excuse me. So these lines here are my indicators. I like to have them. They help me see the trend of what's going on as well. This this orange line here is the indicator I like the best. As long as workhorse is above this line, then it shows that workhorse is pretty strong. Okay, let's see how much percent workhorse is up at this moment. Okay, I like to look at my other screens. Workhorse is up about 4% on the day thus far. It's looking good. It's looking good. It's holding. It's holding. That it is. We'll see how long it'll keep us in this trade. We want to get a pop. Let's get a pop so we can say, hey, man, we want to exit. We want to take our profits because my personality is I don't like to stay in the trade for too long if it's a day trade. And if it's showing me it's doing good, then that's what I like. And I'm satisfied with the profits I take. I believe I got in with 1,000 shares. I don't know why it wasn't letting me in with more. I'll probably find that out later. Okay, so it's moving up. It's moving up. Let's look at it a little longer to see just the move it's making. You see how it's making a massive move. If I put it down this way, it doesn't look too big, but it's making a massive move here. I'm gonna watch it. Here's another candle. Okay, there's other candles going down. It looks like it's trending. It looks like it's following and above this blue line. So that is great. If it can continue to like move along with this blue line, it'll definitely show that it's in an upward trend and that we can hold for a little longer. And usually I don't hold for this long. Usually I would have got out here, but it's okay. It's okay. I really want to teach on this moment and continue to hold on to this trade to continue to teach. Okay. Um, So this is it. This is how it looks. It's in an uptrend, definitely. It never went below this blue line on my stochastics. I love to have that on. Is just showing the momentum is still up. This is a momentum indicator. The slow stochastics here, and it's a momentum trend. It's showing that a momentum is going up. Now, stocks is stocks. Any minute it can go down, it can go up. It's very tricky. That's why I like to take profits early. Uh, but we'll see. We'll see. Like I said, since Workhorse was the only stock, guys, was the only stock on my watch list, then so I have a little confidence in it, not holding on to, not being overly confident, but just a little confidence in it. Hopefully it continues to surge and break. My goodness, it's doing very well. Looks like we got in one of the best trades this morning. It's doing very well. Very, very well, guys. So we have 20 seconds to the next candle is forming. The blue line is following it. And the blue line, forgive me, gosh, what a surge. The blue line is my 8 EMA. My 8 EMA. Okay, here comes another candle. Hopefully it's green. If it's red, I'm going to seriously think about getting out. 2 minutes, 2 seconds, 2 seconds. Here we go. Boom. Come on. Let's get a green one. Oh, a green one. Okay. So now I'm going to seriously think about exiting and taking my profits. I don't know how much we've made today, but I'm this level here. If it goes back here, perhaps I'll exit. Maybe I'll exit with half. Maybe I'll exit with all. It all depends. Oh gosh, what a surge. What a surge. What a surge on Workhorse. Okay, I'm thinking about exiting. Okay, it's on uptrend. What can I say? It's telling me otherwise. It's telling us otherwise. This is great. Wow. Wow. So I'm gonna get out on this. Hopefully it continues up. It's showing that that major buying is going on. Major, okay, now major selling is coming. Ah, what a surge down. One more, two more, 3 more seconds to the next candle. Okay, a green one. Great, a green one. Keep green. Keep green. Wow. 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 Stay green. Wow. It's going. Wow. Keep green. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. $16.70. Look at that. Look at that. And I'm going to take profits here. I'm going to take profits here. Maybe let's go here. I'm going to take profits here at 1665. Okay, 1665. I'm going to get out. If it goes down there, hopefully it doesn't. Look at the bulls. Look at the major buying. Wow. So much buying going on. Maybe I want to take profits here. It's 20 seconds to the next candle will form. The buyers are holding. We love it. Okay, so I'm looking at $16.70. 10 seconds now to the next. Don't go down. Do not go down. Okay, let me get my profits and get out your way. That'll be all for me. Okay. Okay. So I didn't prepare to get out. Let me get out. Close my position. It's working on it. I don't know why. I do not like when that happens. Okay. Let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's go back and see. Hopefully it didn't go down. Okay, now it's going down. No wonder I couldn't get out. Okay, so now it's going down. And see, that's the good thing about having multiple screens and multiple screens, because you can take advantage of every second. Here it went down on me and we actually lost a lot of our gains, but it's okay. Um, it's a teachable moment, and I really just want to teach today. It doesn't matter if I made as much as I would have made had I not been switching back and forth from screen to screen. But as you can see, oh my goodness, buyers are back. Buyers are back, and it's going up again. You know what? Let me concentrate also on my other screen. It's very important to me. Excuse me. Buyers are back. Look at the surge, and look at it following my 9 EMA. My trend, it's following. We may never get out. We may never get out, guys. We may never get out of Workhorse. It looked like we chose the right stock and in the right trade. I'm not totally surprised at that. We're good at our homework, and yeah. So let's continue to take a look. Oh man, it's doing well. It's doing well today. Look at the movement. Okay, look at the movement. Look at the movement. And look at the movement. And that's why I like to hold this slow stochastic. It shows that its momentum is steady above. Don't want it to go below that blue line again. The AEMA is following it. It's staying above that, way above this line. This VWAP is what it is, guys. So another candle is formed. This is another candle. Wow. Wow. We're in the right trade. It may go to 17 and may test 17. I wanted to, if it goes below 1680, I want to take profits. I'm not too greedy here. Definitely not. I see what's going on. You know, Um, but I'm excited. I'm excited. Um, we can switch it also to a 2 minute candle, but again, this is just a teachable moment. We wanted to hold it definitely this line, definitely. You see where we're choosing our lines to hold at, where it did perform the last minute is where we're choosing our lines to hold. We wanted to hold 1675. If it touches it and goes below it, we want to get out. So 3 seconds until the next candle will form. The next candle is red. I'm choosing my line here. Okay, let's go stay to go up. You know what? This is amazing. Let's perhaps we do want to hold. I don't want it to break. Now at 1680. I'm looking at 1680. I wanted to hold. I wanted to hold 1680. And now at any minute it can give out on us. Remember, people like to take profits, and the more people take profits, the uh, the more down it would go. The more people are buying and adding on to their trades, the more it's going up. That's the case here. So we like to look at the time. We like to look at everything that's going on the screen to be abreast. Nothing to catch us off guard. Wow, wow. Let's look at the next. Wow, what a surge! What a surge! Testing that 17. Testing that 17. Will it break $17? This is amazing. Wow, I love it. I love it. I love it. And the way I teach and coach is that some people find more enjoyment in just seeing their predictions happen than the money at the end of the day. It's more fun watching this. I mean, look at this. Look at this. I can say, you know what, I'm going to take my profits if it touches back here. I can say, it's your decision, your strategy. I definitely want to take it if it goes below this line at $16.88. Okay, let's take profits. Let's take profits. Let's take profits, guys, and see how much we've made. Boom. Profits is taken. It's filled my order. You can hear the cash register. And workhorse may continue to go up the whole day. Hey, that's the at this point I took profits. I don't care. I don't care if it continues to go up the whole day. I've taken my profits. Let's see how much we made. Let's see how much we've made, guys. Okay, so we've made 460 for the day. We've made $460 for the day. Let's bring it back. Where is it? Excuse me. Close. As you can see, we've made $460 for the day right here. Okay. Um, let's see the activity. Today we got in with 10 contracts. This is with options. 10 contracts, and the 10 contracts gave us 1,000 shares. We got in when the contracts cost us $144 because it's $1.44 times 100 because each contract costs $100. Each contract consists of 100 shares, so we have to times this number by 100, so we get $144. So each contract costs us $144, which perhaps is a total of $1,500 or so. We got out at when the contracts cost us $182. So that was a profit. Now, take a look. Workhorse is still going. Workhorse is still going. It broke that $17 level. Wonderful. We took profits at here at this red candlestick. Workhorse is still going and may still go for the whole day. Wow. But look at the time frame that it took us. Where do I see the time frame at again? Oh, here, the activity. Forgive me. We got in at 9:35. We got out at 9:47, which is a total of 12 minutes. So in 12 minutes, we accomplished and made $460. I'm done for the day. Of course, I will continue to watch Workhorse and Alibaba. Let's see what Alibaba has done. Workhorse is still doing great. You can follow the blue line and say, hey, I'm getting out the blue line. You can actually put it, this is a 1 minute chart. You can actually put it on a 2 minute chart. I like 2 minute charts too when I'm up this big. and I can see, oh, excuse me, it's 2 minute, and I can see actually what it's doing in a 2 minute frame rather than a 1 minute frame. That'll help you do your exit too. Sometimes, you know. So each candle is a 2 minute instead of a 1 minute, what we were looking at. And you can see, you can say, okay, this is what goes on in 2 minutes. Because sometimes when you look at it in 1 minute, you're eager to take profits. But you make it the time frame longer. And in 2 minutes, it's going down, you know. So let's look at Alibaba on a 1 minute, and then we'll end this video. This is a 1 minute. Let's look at Alibaba very quickly and see what it has done for the day. Bob, I'm looking for you. I'm looking for you. I just seen you. There it is, Alibaba. Okay, so Alibaba went down, surged up to our entry, but faked us out. Faked us out and went down. This would have been perhaps a losing trade. This was our level, our definite take profit level, and it definitely broke it. If we watched the video prior to this, we said, hey, we might have, I think we gave a tighter stop loss to Alibaba, but this was our definite definite take loss. So we would have got in, we would have perhaps got out here for a loss. So we're glad that we got in Workhorse. Like I explained over the weekend, that was our first initial trade. Our predictions were correct, guys. We told you, hey, we look. You know what? We told you we're looking for that 16.50, $16.15 breakout, and the reason why was because we showed you, and so we're proving our point. Look at it. Look at it now. I want everyone to look at it now. Look at it. It broke through that wedge. It broke through. And that's what we wanted to get the trade at 16. It broke through that wedge. It broke through. And now we're looking at this 18.59 since we got out and didn't let it go all the way up. The next level, maybe this week, maybe next week, is at 18.59 level. We'll get in again and do it again. All right. So thanks. This is another portion of Upskill Trading Academy. Um, you've seen it on the pre-market video before this. We showed you again on this actual trading video live. Okay. And so that's great. We made 460 for the day on Workhorse. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you all. We'll see you again.